Good morning, everyone. Welcome back to Shiba Inu Crypto. Samsung has a new way to turn Shiba Inus into $3 token. News about Bitcoin today. An on-chain analytics company just found that Shiba Inu was the most added cryptocurrency to new wallets over the past week. For the baby boomer group, banking was a dull subject. But now that money can be programmed, finance is fun. I think a lot of people would say Bitcoin if you ask them to guess what coin new crypto users bought for the first time in the last week. It looks like that's not the case though. Ethereum, the second most valuable cryptocurrency by market price, is also not it. We are going to talk about the new Samsung way to turn Shiba Inu into a $3 ticket in this video. SHIB news today. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up, share, and subscribe to see our newest videos about expert analysis and Shiba Inu price estimates. Let's start the video right away. Nansen found on-chain data that shows Shiba Inu was the most popular non-stablecoin digital asset for crypto wallets that got new funds in the last week. During that time, Nansen put more than $56 million worth of SHIB tokens into 12,000 new wallets. Nansen said that besides stablecoins, the RC20 token was the most popular type of cryptocurrency to show up in these balances. The price of Shiba Inus went down a little, just like the rest of the market. At the same time as the slowdown, stock prices started to go down after going up in January. A lot of analysts and commenters said that the rout was caused by disappointing economic data and the Federal Reserve's desire to raise interest rates even more. When it comes to volume, wrapped Ether on Uniswap and Shibaswap is SHIB's most important trade partner. On the other hand, Binance has the most Shiba Inu in SHIB amounts. There have been false stories recently that Binance took down some trading pairs that included SHIB. Today, people who like SHIB are very excited about Shibarium, which is a new Ethereum Layer 2 ecosystem that will let people start decentralized apps that use SHIB as a native coin. Shiba Inu holdings of the world's biggest Ethereum whales have grown by hundreds of millions of dollars in less than a week, according to new statistics. The website for whales, WhaleStats, says that since January 17th, the top 1,000 ETH whales have bought $422 worth of the meme asset. It was previously said that the same whales owned about $168 million worth of SHIB. This means that in just 4 days, they grew their holdings of this Dogecoin competitor by an amazing 151%. WhaleStat says that because of the rush to buy Shiba Inu, it is now the digital asset that the top 1,000 ETH whales own the most. Now add up to $584 million. Traders with a lot of money also own a data provider called Chainlink, which is worth $65 million, a decentralized exchange called Uniswap, which is worth $58 million, and a flash cryptocurrency called CryptoBit, which is worth $55 million. The behavior of whales around Shiba Inus may have changed the price of the meme token. It went from $0.00000001045 on January 17th to $0.00000001210 at its highest point. Since then, SHIB has kept going up and now trades for $0.0000000. At the same time that whales are storing SHIB, the ecosystem is getting ready for the beta release of Shibarium, which is a suggested Layer 2 for the Doge rival. Layer 2 networks like Polygon, Matic, Arbitrum, and Optimism will be used for the protocol. They will be built on Ethereum. The rise in cryptocurrencies over the past few days has been especially good for Shiba Inu coin. The price went up again sharply and by more than 20% in the last week. A lot of buyers think that prices will go up a lot in the next few months and years, including acts like Gwen Stefani, Madonna, and the Rolling Stones who have won awards. The fashion artist has now turned his attention to Web3. The new way of doing things comes from the good things that freedom does for the world. Richmond Street says that the innovative ideas behind Web3 are a lot like the groundbreaking ideas behind punk rock. The well-known style says, like the punk rock movement in the UK in the 1980s, it's about strong energy and a desire for change. Rock and roll has always been about giving people who are pushed to the edges of society a voice, breaking rules and questioning the status quo. Artists and people in the Web3 community are also driven by this energy. Sir John Richmond has worked with a lot of big names in the past, and he just recently shared a Vogue magazine cover with Snoop Dogg. The well-known hip-hop singer added some West Coast style to fashion. The daring street style with a touch of classic clothing goes well with John Richmond's plan to try out different styles. The SHIB army was thrilled when Vogue magazine published an article about Snoop Dogg. People in the SHIB army then asked the game's main creator Shintoshi Kusama on Twitter if Snoop Dogg would put play in SHIB the Metaverse's Ryoshi Plaza or Bark Park. In the end, SHIB the Metaverse is a future Web3 project by the developers of Shiba Inu. Shibarium, the way to scale at layer 2, needs to be released first. So Snoop Dogg, you look great. When there was a show on Ryoshi Plaza, #SHIB, we'd love to have you in the Metaverse. Do I have it right? #ShibaArmy. When you use SHIB token, this is the MV at Shitoshi Kusama. Could we? No one has talked yet. The Shiba Inu community is eagerly anticipating the launch of the Shibarium Layer 2 blockchain. Official accounts for the Shiba Inu ecosystem and co-developer Shitoshi Kusama have been dropping hints about when the launch is likely to happen. Based on hints from Shitoshi Kusama's Twitter post, ShibArmy thinks that the test version of Shibarium will be released on Valentine's Day, February 14th.